Every YouTuber knows that it's a real pain to write YouTube video descriptions. That's why on RightBlogger, we created a YouTube video description generator. Let me show you how it works. So I'm already over here on my YouTube, and I have a video that's a review of Screen Studio. Definitely a great app. I'm using it right now to record this video, actually, but that's beyond the point. Let's go over to RightBlogger. I've copied the link, so I'm going to paste it up here to the YouTube video URL area. You can also put a topic you have or a video title you have, but I like to use the actual video because it'll give it the most amount of information and give you the best results. So additionally, there's an option to include timestamps. This is one of my favorite options. I'm going to turn it on. Basically, it'll make a table of contents for you. I will note it's not perfect, so confirm that everything looks right. AI definitely has a problem looking at numbers and getting it just lined up perfectly, but overall, I think it works pretty well. Additionally, you can pick a writing style, and you can actually make a writing style if you want using my tone in RightBlogger. You can also pick the language if it's not in English. And we also have a bunch of other additional options, including specific keywords, point of view, target audience, additional instructions. I love additional instructions because you can basically put in exactly what you'd want in the description or give it more guidance. You know, I want it to be more fun or something like that. But I'm going to leave the default options on right now, and I'm going to hit generate. So within a second or so, we have our video description. You can see here, it's 100 words, and we have our table of contents to different settings in the video, things like that. You can see here, overall, a really good description. It talks in the third person, so probably if I wanted to redo this, I would pick point of view and do first person. And you can do that, of course, by hitting edit and run again. And I'm going to do that right now. We'll do first person. And let's generate that again. And now we have our first person one generating, so you can see how it's working. I'll show you how everything from selecting the, okay, that sounds perfect to me. And like everything in RightBlogger, you can hit copy and bring it over to your YouTube video and just paste it right into the description. If you also have someone that you're working with, like an assistant, you can also hit share and enable a share link and hit copy and actually share that with somebody to actually give them the description if you don't feel like copying the full thing. And just like that, we've instantly generated a YouTube video description using the RightBlogger video description generator. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.